It's literally been an entire year since I got my hair trimmed. That's not good. So we're getting it done now. We've arrived to the mall where the hair appointment is at. I don't know how it's gonna go because I've never been to this lady, but we're gonna see how it goes.
Hey yo, Rand, turn that up.
You feel good? It's comfortable? You comfortable? Are you sure? Bro, and then I guess he got a little credit card or whatever. Look how high. No! No!
Someone fell in?
My AirPod. Anna, say something, fam. Say something. Bro, the AirPod just fell in the water, bro. The AirPod froze. And when I put it back in my ear, it sounded like I was in the beach or something, bro. Oh my god. But I dropped AirPods in the toilet before. I think it's gonna work. Girl, I got a bad history with AirPods. You can tell me I just ate some yesterday.
If you go to somebody just one time,
This is absolutely insane.
And oiling it and oiling it.
And we're still fighting.
And I like how he said that. It was just, we was all fighting.
Fighting for our life trying to do this thing. But we made it happen though. Sheesh. Good eats as usual. Gotta bust down at all times. I've been starving all day because I just decided to jump up, wake up, and get my hair done. That was not a smart idea in the slightest bit. Look who it is, y'all. It's giving what?
I just got out of jail.
You just The next step is to get my hair twisted. I'm gonna do it myself. I guess I can show you some of the process actually of me doing it. It's 9:50 right now. We're about to twist this stuff up. About to party with this rat tail, do some little box parts, and my little sister says she wants to help me. Yeah. So let's get started. Why are you posing like this is a picture?
Because aren't you doing a picture?
You're weird.
Aren't you doing a picture?
No.
Oh.
Ladies, just remember if he wanted to, he would. You wouldn't have to keep begging him to stop going to them girls' house to get his hair done. Just know that. If he wanted to, he would.
Hey yo, Rand, turn that up.
Alright, so as you guys can see, I finished half of my head, but it's like 3 a.m. in the morning. I've been taking so many breaks and I'm pretty tired. So I'm gonna go to sleep and continue when I wake up in the morning. Good night. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, if parting your hair was not so tedious and took forever, I would do this more often because I'm really feeling it. I went in with some mousse after the fact and then put a do-rag on because I see people do that on TikTok, but it ain't really do much for me. But I'm not gonna lie, I waited for a few days to give myself a haircut because I wasn't really feeling the twist because I don't like my hair being so short. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. See you later.
I shot somebody.
I didn't ask you. That's my thing. I didn't ask you.